dear God, show me the road for walking hard. For me get close to me dream, how much me can endure, how much strength remaining for me land out. Dear God, show me the path for finding out.
Shopping in Jamaica. Shopping. Yeah, and Mama used that one day.
What?
This bread.
And Mama come and buy it for.
But you know, matter, I know Mommy I go have a grandma. Take up some of them water. I want to find a water them.
Grape water, water.
Oh, grandma did say I sing you one she want.
Now get island food.
She want Canberra water. Grandma, she did tell me.
Canberra water here.
Okay.
So what you take up?
Take up 3.
You know no basket. Take up 3 now. Basket. 3 Canberra water.
Yeah.
And I walk back and reach Canberra.
Hey guys, these are some footage that I took in Jamaica, but I never upload them on my YouTube channel, so I'm about to upload them now. I'm back in the UK. Yeah, I'm back. Thank God I had a safe flight. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog.
Some parents who are still waiting to register students, you're going to come back to the office here, you're going to form your line. The other parents, please hand your children over to the teachers, and then it's time for you to move so that we can work with them. Hand them over and then move. And before you move, I'm sure you're seeing somebody who's new. Somebody who looks new? Right, there's a gentleman up there in the white shirt. He is Mr. Stevenson, and he is joining us here at Nova. A round of applause for him. You look strong and vibrant. And I'm sure you're missing somebody. Who are you missing? You're missing Mr. Shakespeare. Well,
Principal.
Mrs. Powell as well. And Mrs. Green. Okay, we're so sorry. That's why they say just to protect you throughout the night. You hear that? Okay. Yeah, that's the Lord every day, every minute. Move your finger. Move your finger from there. Push your back to this. All right. Any little paper, shavings, anything, pick them up. And you're going through the door now. See you tomorrow.
As you can see, I went to visit my school in Jamaica. I always try to go and visit my school when I'm in Jamaica, but this time around I decided to go the first day of school, and it was truly a blessing. It reminded me of my childhood memory, being in the taxi, coming off at the school gate. I also get the chance to see the vendor, the teachers that used to be there when I used to attend the school. It was truly a blessing. They were happy to see me and I was happy to see them. I also got the chance to see the teacher that used to take very good care of me when I was little. We also got to take a picture, and seeing the students just bring joy to me. Like, it truly reminded me of my childhood memory. Even though when I was going there, it was much better to me. Like, the vibes was much better because it was a primary and it was a junior high school in one. But it was really truly a blessing. I enjoy every moment of it. I wish I could go back to my childhood memory. And yeah, it was good seeing the teachers, the vendors, the cleaner. It was good seeing everyone, even the parents, even being in this environment. It just reminded me of Jamaica. It just reminded me of when I was a kid attending the school. I wish these days could come back. They were really nice. Like, being a kid is the best. Trust me. Wagwan. Here come. I'm gonna leave your grandma. Where you buy? You know, no money now for me, you know. Where you go buy? Buy pan come. Me know a long time. Me not see us a lot of school a long time.
Show me the road for walk.